Hey guys, I'm here with one of the best camera phone in 2019. Triple camera phone with Leica optics. This is the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So it has a triple camera, 14 megapixel, a wide angle camera, 20 megapixel, ultra wide angle, and 8 megapixel telephoto lens. So let's go ahead and open this box. Okay. Wow. Look at this design. Just awesome. This is the 3 white color variant. There's 2 colors more. Emerald green, midnight blue, and black. SIM ejection tool. Quick start guides and warranty card. USB Type-C cable. Headphones. It look like Apple earphones. As you can see, volume button with call control, adapter from a USB Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack, because the device doesn't have a 2.5 port. Supercharged charger. It's a big. Okay. Look at this design. Just awesome. It's a 3-wide core variant of Huawei Mate 20 Pro. It looks like it looks amazing. So let's turn it on. Okay, now there's a 6.39-inch display, OLED display with 40 by 3120 pixels, Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, HDR10, octa-core Helicon Kirin 980 CPU by 7 nanometers. There is no micro SD slot. It's nano memory by Huawei. You need to buy separate. Of course, there's two variants with internal memory of 2056 gigabyte of internal storage with 8 gigabyte of internal memory RAM, or 128 gigabyte of internal storage with 6 or 8 gigabyte RAM. So cameras, there's a associate 40 megapixel wide angle with a laser autofocus, 20 megapixel ultra wide angle, again with a laser autofocus, and 8 megapixel of telephoto lens with 5 optical zoom with optical image stabilization, again laser autofocus. Leica optics with dual tone flash with HDR. There is a 4K video recording at 30 frame per second, Full HD at 16 frame per second, and 720p at 960 frame per second for slow motion, of course. So front-facing camera is a 24 megapixel wide-angle camera with HDR. There is a stereo speakers. There is no 3.5 headphone jack. And infrared port. You can control your smart devices or a TV. Okay, so let's beginning of first setup. Wow, just gorgeous. Can you see this? Can you see this display? Just awesome. So this one is with 6 gigabyte of RAM and 128 gigabyte of internal storage. It comes with Android Pie out of the box, latest version of Android by Google. It's not big front and back glass, aluminum frame, There is a dual SIM variant. This one is dual SIM. I think it's one of the best devices for a great price. It good stand in the hand, not heavy, or best cameras according to other devices. There's a many features. Fingerprint, of course, face recognition, just all in one device. So guys, hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe for my channels for more phones, more videos and other things. Thanks for subscribing. See you next time.